There's a moment that every online entrepreneur faces, and if it hasn't hit you yet, it will. It's that moment when you realize you don't need another idea. You don't need another tool. You don't need another 3-week course on funnel building. You just need something that already works. Something real, something proven, and something you can call your own today. That's where Clonely AI comes in. The internet rewards speed, not effort. It rewards structure, not originality. And most of all, it rewards execution. The pages that are converting right now, they're not original masterpieces. They're optimized systems. Clean, logical flows, psychological triggers, smart monetization. Clonely AI lets you identify those exact systems, the ones already performing in the wild, and rebuild them around your brand, your product, or your offer. With one click. It doesn't scrape code. It doesn't clone images. It recreates the entire user experience, the flow, the logic, the structure, and turns it into a page that's entirely yours, yet engineered like the original. It's not about copying. It's about launching from a better starting line. With Clonely, all you have to do is paste a URL. That's it. The system scans the live page and begins to rebuild it from the hero section to the checkout flow, from the email form to the mobile responsiveness. Everything is visually editable. Everything is fully hosted on our servers. Everything is optimized for performance, not just for looks. You can change the text, the color, the buttons, the links, even the entire funnel sequence without writing a single line of code. It feels less like software and more like having a cheat code to online income. Now you might be thinking, but I'm not technical, or I don't have a product yet, or maybe I'm not ready to launch anything. Clonely was built for you because the old rules build it from scratch, hire expensive teams, test endlessly, they don't apply anymore. You don't need to start with an idea. You start with what already works and use it to power whatever you want next. Affiliate marketing, freelance services, lead generation, digital products, client funnels, your own SaaS, coaching program, portfolio, you name it. If there's a page out there that's doing well, Clonely gives you a version that's ready for you and live in minutes. Imagine seeing a landing page that just works. You know, the kind clean, confident, persuasive. Before Clonely, you'd save it, bookmark it, maybe screenshot it for inspiration, and then forget it. Now, you drop the link into Clonely. Within seconds, the system reconstructs that page without the brand, without the copyrighted content, but with the same monetization flow, the same structure, and the same power. From there, you drag in your offer, you drop in your form, you swap your product, and just like that, you're live on a high-converting, beautifully built funnel that you didn't have to build. No guesswork, no endless back and forth with developers, no wondering if you got it right. You did, because Clonely did. Right now, people are launching entire businesses in 24 hours using this. Not because they're gurus, not because they have funding or big ideas, but because they had access to structure. They weren't sitting around trying to figure out what works. They were leveraging what already does. And that's the real difference between those who move fast and those who stay stuck. It's not about having better ideas. It's about having a faster way to bring them to life. When you get Clonely AI today, you're not just getting access to another tool. You're unlocking the power to rebuild any website structure, flow, and funnel in seconds. Deploy unlimited pages and projects instantly without tech. Host everything on blazing fast servers with built-in security and backups. Edit everything visually with no learning curve whatsoever. Use it commercially for your offers, your clients, or brand new businesses. Own a system that doesn't require monthly payments or outside tools to work. This is the kind of leverage that changes your digital life. You've waited long enough. You've watched from the sidelines. You've overcomplicated what should have been simple. You've spent money on pieces, builders, designers, hosting ads without ever really launching. This ends here. Clonely doesn't just make things easier, it makes them possible. You don't need to figure everything out. You don't need to become a web designer or a copywriter. You just need to stop sitting on your potential and start publishing something real. A working site, a complete funnel, a system that's ready to run. Today, you can build your next funnel from scratch again. Or you can use Clonely and go live in 10 minutes with something that's been performing for years. And don't worry, you are fully protected by our 30 days money-back guarantee. So in case for any reason whatsoever you didn't like it, just send us a message and we will refund every penny you've paid. This is your moment. Click the button below. Let Clonely handle the work while you finally start seeing results.
Thank you for watching this video. For more product reviews, please subscribe this channel.